What's up, you guys? Tim Trevathan here with Trevathan Homes and Keller Williams Realty, and in this video we're going to go over the new construction community by Meritage Homes called Union Grove. This community is located in Braselton, just north of Interstate 85 and Chateau Elan, off of Union Church Road. This community is beautiful and it has a lot of homes that are waiting for new homeowners. And the pricing goes from as low as $432,000 on the Gibson floor plan, which is a ranch style one-story home, to as high as $544,000 for their largest floor plan that has 3,252 square feet with a basement. There are a total of 6 floor plans, so there's other floor plans available in between those two prices of $432,000 and $544,000. But this is a good opportunity given that new construction typically in Metro Atlanta is now starting out at $600,000 or higher. But in this community, being in Braselton in the location, it's still in that price range that a lot of homeowners may be able to afford and get themselves locked into a contract. Now, as some people may know with the competitive market, you need to get in quickly because every 3 to 4 homes that are sold, there's typically a $5,000 increase in the price. Every builder is different, but with this one, that's what we're seeing with Meritage Homes. They do include a home warranty, a 1-2-10 home warranty for the first year, and the HOA cost is $550 with an initiation fee one-time payment of $550. This covers the pool and the overall maintenance of the community. So it's nice, you get a swimming pool, and in this community, it's rather large. There's some that are in the 50, 60, 70 home range, but this one has a total of 149 homes. Now, out of these homes, there are no rent restrictions. So for investors, this is a good opportunity. Now, with the pricing that I mentioned a little while ago, just be aware that this does not include upgrades. So with upgrades, it could make the price higher. And these are spec homes, meaning that they are able to close faster because they are pretty standard in terms of the design options. Now, one important thing to note is that the earnest money that you need to put down to get a contract is $5,000. And if you use their preferred lender, MTH Mortgage, then you can get a credit towards your closing costs of $7,500. Again, this is a great community, 149 homes, just broke ground not too long ago, and it's gonna turn out to be a wonderful community for those that wanna call Braselton their home. If you need help, you can call me at my number below, and be sure if you wanna schedule an appointment or have more questions, you can also comment down below, or again, text me or call me from my direct number. See you guys on the next video.